Tata.
What are you doing? Say, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! Hi, big girl. Hey, Lexi Kate, where's your belly button? Hey, Lexi. Where's your belly button? You don't care. Are you having fun? Oh, there it is. Good job. Belly button. You found it. There's your belly button. Yay. Can you say praise the Lord? Yay. Hey, Lexi, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Can you do it? Huh? Show Daddy. Praise the Lord. You're going to dance like David danced. Yeah, praise the Lord.